Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the no network connection issue on Waze. Whether you're trying to get directions quickly, rely on real-time traffic updates, or simply want to make sure Waze works smoothly on your device, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know, even if you're facing this problem for the first time. First, don't open Waze just yet. Start by opening the settings on your device, and then go to the Apps section. Once you're there, scroll through the list and select Waze. Take your time and follow along carefully so you don't miss any important steps or settings. Next, tap on Storage and then select Clear Cache. This helps remove temporary files that might be causing the connection problem or preventing the app from loading properly. After that, go back and tap Force Stop. This ensures that the app completely shuts down and resets before we move on to the next step. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your location services are enabled and check that Waze has permission to access your location. You can do this by going to App Permissions and confirming that location access is allowed at all times or while using the app. Additionally, go to Open by default and ensure that supported links is enabled. Doing these checks beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues later on. Once you've completed these steps, toggle your airplane mode on and then off, and restart your device to refresh the network connection completely. After that, open Waze again, and you should see that the network connection issue has been resolved. It's also a good idea to keep your Waze app updated to the latest version to avoid running into similar problems in the future. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the no network connection issue on Waze easily and efficiently and get back to navigating without any interruptions. Thanks for watching this Stack tutorial video. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If this video helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be struggling with the same issue, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more quick and practical tech guides. Until next time, happy driving and safe travels.